everyone, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload a PDF document to ChatGPT effortlessly. Although it's not possible to directly upload a PDF document to ChatGPT, there is still a way to do it. I will explain to you that although you cannot upload PDF document to ChatGPT, you can upload a PDF document to this website and tool called chatpdf.com. And this is a tool that was developed based on the ChatGPT API, so it uses the same underlying model that ChatGPT uses to understand the content of that PDF document. So all you have to do is open up this website. It's called chatpdf.com. I will also link it in the description below, and here's where you're going to be able to upload a PDF document to ChatGPT. So click on drop a PDF here and upload the PDF document you want to analyze. You can upload a research document, scientific paper, or a school assignment, a business executive summary, and basically any kind of document you can use. And as you can see, when you upload the PDF, it will give a brief summary of the document. And also suggest some questions you can ask about the content in that PDF document. And if you want, of course, you can also directly add your ChatGPT prompts here. So for example, write me a short summary about this PDF document. Then all you have to do is click on the execute button, and this ChatGPT model will answer what this ebook, which is the PDF I have uploaded, is all about. So as you can see, it's about printed books versus digital books, and as I check the information it spits out, I can confirm that the information it has provided to me is absolutely correct, because this is the topic I have in PDF, so this works great. And then you can also ask questions about any of these, or you can use the questions that they have provided at the beginning of the interaction. And you can always ask for more questions if you want to do that. So all in all, this is how to upload a PDF document to ChatGPT and analyze the content of that PDF document. And that's it. I hope you learned something in this video. Also, if you want to learn more about how-to tutorials about digital marketing, software, and e-commerce, make sure to check out our YouTube channel that you can see on the screen here.